Good morning class. Let us begin with the preposition. Last lesson we have studied about the use of on and in. Today we are going to study the use of at and for. Now when do we use at? When referring something at a specific point, time or a short period of time. When we are when we are talking about something at a specific point, right, at a particular point or a particular time or the short period of time, then we use at. Let us have a look with the examples. Number 1, she lost her ring at the beach. Okay, and remember, preposition shows the relation between one thing and the other. Here the ring is lost at the beach. Here there is the relation between the ring and the beach. The ring is lost at the beach. Here at is showing us a specific point, a specific area where the ring was lost, right? Just imagine we are going for a long walk near the beach, and when we return back home, I realize that I don't have my ring in my hand, right? So I then recall that I lost it or I forget it at the beach, correct? So at the beach is telling us that in that area of beach, I forgot my ring. So at is talking about a specific point. Next sentence, we will meet at the airport, right? Again, here in this sentence, I am asking you to meet me at the airport, right? I am going somewhere and this is the last day, we are meeting for the last time, correct? So I want you to meet at the airport. So at is used to show the specific point, the specific area where I will meet you, correct? So at is again used here to show the specific point. Number 3, I will go at 3 o'clock. Now I am going somewhere, maybe for my tuitions, my classes, right? And I will go there at 3 o'clock. So at is used to tell you the specific timing, right? The specific time is at 3 o'clock, sharp 3 o'clock, I will go at the place, correct? Number 4, we will go for a walk at night. Again, at is used here to show a short period of time. Now, I am not mentioning the day, month, year, right? I am telling you the particular period of time when we will go for a walk. अब रात को कितने बजे कब निकलना है, आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग दैट. मैं सिर्फ आपको एक टाइम पीरियड दे रही हूँ कि शाम को हम वॉक करने जाएंगे. Now it can be any time, it can be at 6 o'clock, it can be at 7 o'clock, right? I am not mentioning you the time, but I told you that in this period of time we will go for a walk. हम शाम को वॉक करने जाएंगे. अब शाम को कभी भी जा सकते हैं, right? So it is a specific period of time. शाम का जो वक्त है वो एक proper period of time है जब हम बाहर जाएंगे, correct? So when we are talking about a short period of time, we use at. Coming back, when referring something at a specific point, जैसे कि हमने बोला फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में at the beach और at the airport. Time at 3 o'clock. Short period of time like at night. Okay. In these situations, we use at. Now let us look at the use of for. For is used, it indicates the use of something, right? When we are using something. कोई चीज़ जब हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उसका क्या उपयोग है, उसका यूज़ क्या है, तब हम फॉर यूज़ करते हैं. रीजंस, जब हम कोई कारण बताते हैं, वी गिव अ रीज़न फॉर समथिंग. टाइम, अगेन व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ टाइम, स्पेसिफिक पीरियड. और ड्यूरेशन, मतलब इतने वक्त से इतने वक्त तक. ड्यूरेशन, कब चालू हुआ कब ख़त्म हुआ, इन द पीरियड बिटवीन दैट इज कॉल्ड द ड्यूरेशन. Let us have a look. Sorry for this, it's just flying because of the hair. Okay. Number 1, I baked a cake for your birthday. I baked a cake. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason why I baked the cake? For your birthday. Correct? So the action of baking the cake and the birthday party. Correct? It is showing the relationship between the cake and the birthday. Correct? So here for is used to tell us the reason behind baking the cake. It is baked for your birthday. Number 2, I am so happy for you. Okay, now my friend secured first rank in class and I am very happy for him. So what I will say, I am so happy for you. Again, why I am happy, what is the reason behind my happiness? It is for you, right? So for again is showing us the reason behind the happiness. Number 3, I attended the class for 1 year. Okay, I attended the class. Just say that I joined drawing classes. I joined drawing classes and I attended the classes for 1 year. एक साल तक मैंने classes attend किए. So एक साल का जो period है, एक साल मैंने attend किया. So that is called the duration. That is called the duration. मतलब कितने वक्त तक आपने continue किया. Correct? So duration is showing us the period of time we continue to do the action. So that was for 1 year. So जब हम किसी को time period बताते हैं कि इतने से इतने वक्त तक, इतने साल तक हमने ये चीज़ की है, तब हम for use करते हैं. तब हम for use करते हैं. Next, I was here for an hour. I was here for an hour. मैं यहाँ पे 1 घंटे के लिए थी. Okay, so I am again showing you here the time. कितने वक्त तक? 1 घंटे तक. Here also it is showing us the time. Correct? But not the hours. Okay? कितने घंटे वो नहीं दिया है. Right? It is not telling us about the specific time like 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock. नहीं. यहाँ पे कितने घंटे के लिए? For an hour. Okay, the specific time is not mentioned here. So when we are talking about the time, we use here for. Okay, clear? मैं 1 घंटे के लिए थी. I was for this period of time. I hope this is clear to you. So we are done with 4 prepositions: on, in, at and for. Exercise related to it I will give you as homework. It is very important to do other exercises other than your textbook. Okay, because this is not that much easy. There are many prepositions left. Okay, so please do your homework. And if you don't understand, I will try and make another video which will make more easy for you. Okay, please tell me. Thank you.